trigonometry.com. This is your Joycema. Today in this video we are going to see the values of trigonometric ratios. We have studied in our earlier video the relation between the angle and the sides in a triangle. Now we are extending our knowledge to study about these values of the trigonometric ratios. Are you all ready? Shall we start? Here we go. You know the triangle is ABC where angle B is 90 degree. So A and C. So here the angle theta is straight. Now I go with sine ratio. If sine 0 is 0, ma'am, how do we start these values? And we cannot by heart since you are at the end of this academic term. I know that most of the students must be aware of these values but still not knowing how to get those values without making mistakes. I'll give you the clue. Children, everyone must be knowing in this era about pizzas. The pizzas are cut. You start from 0 and then quarter and then half and then 3/4 and then full pizza 1. Now I want everyone to come to this values. Take the square root of all this for the first case. So take the square root, take the square root, take the square root, take the square root and take the square root. So this is for the first one for you not to make mistakes in the values. So the pizzas are 0, quarter, half, 3/4 and 1. Now I am going to write square 0 is equal to square root 0 is equal to 0. Square root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. And square root of 1 by root 2 is 1 by root 2. So root 3 by 2 and this one is 1. Now you can forget about this. You got your first. That is sine the first one. So you got the first one. Now I go for the second one. That is cos. So what you will do for cos, you just write the ulta. That is 1 and the next one comes root 3 by 2 and the next one comes 1 by root 2 and the next one comes 1 by 2 and the next one comes 0. I told you sine and cos, they are interchanged. I told you in the previous video. That's what it shows. That is, the values are just interchanged. And now we go for tan. So tan says like this. That is, the sine divided by cos is tan. So 0 by 1, it is 0. And 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, that is equal to 1 by root 3. And then 1 and then root 3 and then not defined. Why? Because 1 by 0 is not defined at all. Now we go for cosec. I told you cosec is reciprocal of sine. So take 1 by of all the values, the reciprocal. So 1 by 0 is again not defined. And this one is 2 and this is root 2 and this is 2 by root 3 and this is 1. And the next one we go for sec. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. Why? Because S goes with C and S goes with C, I told you. So sec 1 by 1, that is 1, and then this is 2 by root 3 and root 2 and 2 and this is not defined. If you are finding it difficult to take the reciprocal for the sec, you just write it just the order. You see here you get it. And then the last one is nothing but cot. So you have it for cot. So cot you have it, that is a reciprocal of tan. So you have again not defined and then root 3 and then 1 and then 1 by root 3 and then 1 by not defined is nothing but 0. So the answer, the values will go like this. If you follow this step, hope everyone will never make a mistake in finding the values of trigonometric ratios. these trigonometric ratios, you just go and apply in your question, and it is more than enough to get your answer in a very easy manner. So do not make any mistake in finding the values of trigonometric ratios. Hope everyone understood this concept. Until we meet in the next video, take care. Bye-bye.